What's up, everybody? Matt of Trades here. All right, so here with another video. Just going through my trades for this week, running the wheel strategy, and talking a little bit about how this month went, how much premium I've collected this month. Let's get right into it. So, as usual, we're going to start with comparing our portfolio with the market. Right now, we're about 18.3. And today, as of right now, we're up almost 2%. Looks like we're trending upward. Market closes in just over an hour. And Today, the market is down. Market is down 0.15. Could break even, but we're beating the market by about 2% for the day. The week, the market is down 5.79. We are down 1.65, so beating the market by about 4% there. For the month, we are down 5.15% for the month. The market is down 9.71%, so we're beating the market by about 4% for the month there. The last 3 months, the market is down 7%. Our portfolio for the last 3 months, we are actually up 31%. So we are beating the market by the last 3 months by quite a hefty margin. For the year, overall, we are down 3.3. The market for the year is down 17.85. So for the year, and I think that's kind of the most important number right now as far as that goes, is we are beating the market by quite a bit for the year, down 17.91%. So can't complain about that. All right, so today is Tuesday, so we sold some calls yesterday on the positions we were assigned. So let's look at those. So Ford is continuing to trend down. We weren't able to sell any calls on this for any kind of meaningful premium, so we're just kind of leaving it alone and hoping that it goes back up. And again, blue line is our average price that we own the stock for. The red line is our break even. So we're just gonna leave this one alone for a while. Charge point, we were assigned at $16.50. We're able to sell some decent calls on that. In fact, let me see exactly what we were able to do. I'm gonna move this over to my other screen so I can just tell you. Charge point, so we sold 2 calls, collected $36 in premium, which with the money we have invested is about 1.09% return. We're not too far away from our break even, so we're not doing too bad in this position. Hopefully it continues to trend in a good direction there. Penn National Gaming, also in a pretty good position here. On Penn, we have 100 shares. We collected $40 in premium, lowering our cost basis to $27.91. We were called at $29. And that was about a 1.38% return on the money we have invested. Not bad for a week. Now Rivian is the one that's been doing very well for us. So we were actually able to sell quite a few puts on Rivian before we got called at $35. Looks like we got 200 shares there. So our cost base is actually well below where the price is right now. We were able to sell really high, sell some calls for really high premiums. Initially, we had yesterday we had sold calls at the 35.50 strike, hoping that the stock would go up a little bit and that we could collect some capital gains. But it's since gone down a little bit since then. So today, actually just barely, I rolled that position and collected a little bit more premium at the 35 strike. With that 35.50 strike, we collected a total of $204, which our ROI is 2.91%, which is phenomenal in 1 week. And then we rolled that position down to the lower strike at $35 and collected an additional $22. So overall, we're that's 0.63% in addition to that 2.91, which is really good. Overall, we're up about $660 on that one. And if we wanted to, we could close our position um, um, and still be profitable since we are above our cost basis. But I think we're going to hang on to it and see where it goes, and hope that it kind of stays around there and that we're able to sell some more calls next week. Let's see, Black Rifle Coffee Company, and again, one of those companies that we weren't able to sell calls on. We're just a little too far away. So we're just hanging on to Black Rifle Coffee Company. Gap, again, we're super far away. And same thing with Matterport, just very far away. These were two very sad trades. But we're just going to hang on to them for now. Might sell them at the end of the year for tax reasons, but for now we're just hanging on to them and hope that at some point they go back up. Gap does give us a dividend every once in a while, which is really nice. Looks like we're about due for one in a few days here. But well, folks, that is the update. Those are the trades for this week. If you like this style, if you like the content, if you learned anything, please like and subscribe. Almost forgot to go over the premium for the month overall. So let me pull that up here. Bring this over. All right. Let's see if I can enhance this a little bit. Okay, that's better. So for the month, this is my month to date line right here. So for September, we were able to collect a total of $1,041 just in premium, which is good. Now some of these positions are still going and have unactualized losses right now. But as far as premium collected, a little over $1,000 for an $18,000 portfolio is phenomenal. In fact, let's see what that ends up being percentage wise. So, oops, 1,041 divided by 18,000. So that's it's about a 5% return. So that's not bad. All right, there we go. Thanks for watching.